gonna be a real quick video on SUI. So SUI is now, so here we go. This is posted 4 hours ago. President Trump, World Liberty Financial partners with SUI to launch a strategic SUI reserve. This, again, 4 hours ago. This is a 4-hour chart. Each candle represents 4 hours. And the coin went up, I'd say about 13%, but from the time of posting, maybe like 6%. Then now it's coming down. This one was asked about yesterday on my live streams. I strongly recommend you watch the live streams. But this one is extremely high risk. It has not broken a high. It just continues to do lower highs. And for that reason, I said, if you want to enter, you could do a stop loss around 20%, multiple entries, of course. I'm looking for a pullback. And then, of course, well, we got the news of this. It pumped, and then now it's starting to come down. To me, this one is still too risky, even though the World Liberty Financial is partnering with SUI. It's still too risky. But again, just giving you this information. If I start seeing something like this, where it comes down, then it goes up, down, goes up, comes down, goes up, start breaking levels, then okay, we can enter the trade. But right now, even with this news, it can still come up here to this level and roll over until the market's ready, and then everything goes. Everything will go. SUI, Cookie, Stacks, BNB, AI, XBT, Ondo, everything's going to go up when the market's ready. So if you do believe in SUI, right now might be a good time to enter. If you think that you just want to get into safer trades, then I would probably wait maybe 3 days, maybe 5 days, see what happens. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you very much. Right now, of course, I'm trying to edit some videos and also keep up with the news, and then, of course, the charts as well. If you have any questions, make sure to put it in the VIP chat, and we'll answer you, of course, my very talented admins, along with myself. And I do thank you very much. And, of course, the other members. Of the members, man, they're learning the stuff. And everybody's helping out. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Take care.